quite often my students ask me, what came before the Big Bang? Can you help out? What should I tell them?
This is a big question. Well, in science, we take an approach that is pretty much related to observations. We can study and discuss and analyze what we can observe. Now, we cannot really get light from very, very, very far away, which means very, very, very far in the past. There is a limit to this kind of observations. So we cannot really access an extremely far place in the universe and hence moment in time. So the short answer is that we will never really know what happened before some given time. We will never get close enough to the Big Bang from an observational point of view. But it's very important to say that thanks to what we know in cosmology and particle physics, we can go a bit beyond what we managed to directly observe. For example, I can say that we can see right now through the CMB, the cosmic microwave background, we can look at how the universe was something like 300,000 years after the would-be Big Bang. But our theory of cosmology that we study in books and tells us many interesting properties of the universe that we see actually in the sky today, tells us this story quite backward, quite back compared to the CMB time. And I'm confident that in time we will learn to push this barrier further and further away, although there will be some limit eventually.
Okay, so what you're saying there is there's kind of two aspects to the science that's working this out. One of them is theory, where scientists are doing calculations and working out what they think could, how things could have worked out at the very beginning. And then there's a sort of another side to it where people are actually looking, what can we see? What do the photographs of the sky actually show us? And the two work together really well. But at the moment, the theory one can give us ideas that are a little bit older, a little bit closer to when the Big Bang happened than the observation ones. And hopefully the observation ones will catch up, will give us more evidence to say the theory was right. Is that the plan?
Yeah, you got it perfectly. And the theorists on their side can be smarter in devising what the observational people can look at.
Right. Okay. So they guide, can you look for this because that'll show my theory is either right or wrong. Yeah.
Precisely. Yeah.